And the BSE Sensex gained 249 points or 1.2%, while the broader Nifty ended 80 points up. The BJP claims the markets are cheering those exit polls that predict a win for the party in 4 states where assembly elections have been held.
Dalal Street gave a big thumbs up to the exit poll results today that predicted the BJP will win in 4 crucial states that went to polls, with the Sensex crossing the crucial 21,000 mark after over a month and the rupee hitting a 5-week high.
उम्मीद है कि आने वाले दिनों में बीजेपी की सरकार बनेगी, इसलिए सुधार हो रहा है, लोगों के मानस में अंतर आ रहा है.
All brokerages attributed today's rally to the euphoria building up among investors that this is a reflection of the likely outcome of the 2014 Lok Sabha polls. A report by CLSA today said the exit polls indicate that the stock market favourite BJP seems to be doing slightly better than expectations. Another report by Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, stated the market is looking for a strong, stable government post-2014 elections.
They're seeing a clear trend in favour of one party, which hopefully will yield a decisive and government which favours economy.
You've got a good RBI governor who's taking some steps in the direction that the people in the market want. You've got even a government which was completely lying back and not doing anything.
But how long will the Modi magic play out on Dalal Street?
Because as of now, I don't think the market is being driven by economic conditions. It's a particular incident, one particular incident taking place, called the state elections, and the impact will be restricted to just a couple of days.
But irrespective of the election results, analysts say markets always perform well in the run-up to the elections. With Shweta Rajpal Kohli, Hina Gambhir for NDTV.